Welcome to the Advanced Guide to Fidelity Debit Card, where we will cover key concepts, practical examples, and best practices to help you navigate the features and benefits of this financial tool. First, let's start with the basics. A Fidelity debit card is a type of payment card linked to your Fidelity account, allowing you to access your funds and make transactions online, in person, or over the phone. To get started, you will need to apply for a Fidelity debit card through the Fidelity website or mobile app. Once you have received your debit card, you will need to activate it by following the instructions provided. This typically involves calling a phone number or using the mobile app to verify your identity and activate the card. Now, let's discuss the features and benefits of the Fidelity debit card. One of the key benefits is the ability to earn interest on your balance, as the debit card is linked to a Fidelity checking account that earns a competitive interest rate. Additionally, the debit card has no foreign transaction fees, making it a great option for international travel. To use your Fidelity debit card, simply swipe, tap, or insert the card at a payment terminal, and enter your PIN or provide your signature to complete the transaction. You can also use your debit card to make online purchases, pay bills, or transfer funds to other accounts. In terms of security, the Fidelity debit card offers several layers of protection, including zero liability protection, which means you will not be held responsible for unauthorized transactions. Additionally, the card is equipped with chip technology, which provides an extra layer of security against counterfeit fraud. To manage your Fidelity debit card, you can use the Fidelity mobile app or website to track your account activity, view your balance, and set up account alerts. You can also use the app to freeze your debit card if it is lost or stolen, and order a replacement card if needed. In conclusion, the Fidelity debit card is a powerful financial tool that offers a range of features and benefits. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can get the most out of your debit card and enjoy a convenient, secure, and rewarding banking experience. Remember to always monitor your account activity, keep your debit card information secure, and take advantage of the benefits and features offered by the Fidelity debit card.